There's a new MakerCast tonight, 9 p.m. First Sunday of every month. This one is on Colin Hickey's channel, not mine, or anyone else's. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go there. Please come. It's going to be great. There's a special guest, which I'm really excited about. It's Jerry Ellsworth. You might know her from YouTube or from her other projects doing sort of augmented reality stuff. So is it augmented reality? I'm sure she'll explain it a bit further. Anyway, I'm really excited. I used to watch loads of Jerry's videos when she put loads out. She doesn't do very many anymore, but she did one about failure, which really had quite an effect on me, actually. It was about, like, what is failure, is it? And it's about learning and all that kind of stuff. And when I first started out doing electronics, that's pretty much all I did. Less so now, but still quite a lot. But it made me have a different view on it. So, and I actually really had quite an effect. So I'm really excited. We've got other people are coming as well onto the MakerCast. You've got Looney from BitLooney's Labs, Sion the Unexpected Maker, Colin himself will be there. We've got Aaron Christabel and Arturo182 is also going to be on there. So I will see you there. Figure out what it is for your time zone. 9 p.m. tonight. See you in a bit.